Hey guys, so today we are officially moving into the brand new Bilal Rehman Studio and we have a lot of unboxing to do. Our primary focus today is going to be getting the library set up, our sample library where we have all the fabrics and tiles and all that kind of stuff, as well as organizing some of the books and things that we use for inspiration in our projects. And then Saturday is the big day where all of the desks are coming in, so we have to be prepped for that. So today's gonna be a big day, but come along. So we are going to be organizing out our inspiration bookcase. If you know anything about my projects, you know that coffee table books and books in general are a huge source of inspiration for us as a studio. And so we have a huge collection. Some of these are from my personal collection at home, and some of these are things that I've collected over the years of doing interior design. But now I have a beautiful place to showcase them. So we designed this custom bookcase with our contractor. Just to allow the coffee table books and books to face forward. I did not want a library where you saw the spines of the books because I felt like they weren't as inspirational to look at. So by doing it this way, it's almost as if we're getting a piece of art and showcasing our books at the same time, which I really love. So we're having to shift from the bookcase for a second because I don't know where all the books are. They're kind of hidden in that magical pile of stuff. So some of the samples for the library are going to be pulled out and just put over here for the time being until we can find these books. We got this almond croissant and chocolate croissant from this place called Agora, which is right down the street from us. And it's like this Greek coffee place. That is the best fucking almond croissant I have ever had in my life. And their coffee is literal crack. I'm like jittery. Julie got a chocolate croissant because that's been her favorite thing since we were a kid. And you know, Maya too. Maya got a chocolate croissant. And the rest of us got almonds. A lot of you have actually asked what my favorite coffee table books are, and I do have a lot of them linked in my Amazon storefront, but these are probably my top tier books that will be on this bookcase, because these are the ones that I use in all of our work. So we made a lot of progress on the library. We are now color coordinating all the fabrics in the rainbow color scheme, and we are trying to keep all the rugs and corresponding fabrics together so that it's really color coordinated. That way when we're working on a project, if we need something blue, there's one section to go to, as opposed to hunting throughout everything. The drawers have gotten full of different tiles like this, which Julie has done a fabulous organization for, and then we have like the lighting drawers, which are really cool, and we have the samples. So we're basically separating everything by category when it comes to the drawers. So the drawers are going to start out with lighting, and then they move forward onto tile, and then flooring, and then wall coverings, all the way down until we reach the paint at the very, very end. And the reason why we did the paint at the end is because we actually have a tower like this on that side, which has all of our like color utensils and like markers and coloring pencils, things that we use while we're designing or sketching. So I really wanted it, all the color on that side and everything neutral kind of on this side. In my head it makes sense, but that's basically what we did. And then now Obed is hanging up this really cool flexible curtain rod that we got to kind of cover up these ugly ass back doors and the electrical boxes and all the shit that we really don't want to see. And Joe and Maya have been assembling our islands for the library, which came out really, really good. They are chrome and glass. So we have 3 of these, and basically we're gonna line them up kind of in a row, and this is where we work when we're pulling samples or when we're working on a project, so these are gonna come in a lot of handy.